To help you prepare for HCIA Cloud Computing V4.0 H13511_V4.0 exam. Passert new updated H13511_V4.0 HCIA Cloud Computing V4.0 exam dumps which contain real questions and answers. You will also get real exam experience to take your real test. Passert guarantees that you will be easily able to succeed in your H13511_V4.0 certification exam. Questions 1. Which of the following descriptions about KVM is correct? Multiple choice. A. KVM is an open-source virtualization technology. B. KVM belongs to Type 2 virtualization. Circa KVM belongs to Type 1 virtualization. D. KVM is a module in the Linux kernel. Answer. Abed. Questions 2. What are the features supported by virtualized storage in Huawei Fusion Compute? Multiple choice. A. Thin provisioning. B. Disk expansion. C. Storage hot migration. D. Snapshot. Answer. A, B, C, D. Questions 3. What are the necessary conditions for a virtual machine to communicate with other virtual machines? Multiple choice. A. Configure the correct IP address for the virtual machine. B. Configure the correct MAC address for the virtual machine. C. Configure the gateway address for the virtual machine. D. Configure a fixed IP address for the virtual machine. Answer. A, B, C. Questions 4. What operations can be performed in Huawei Fusion Compute? Multiple choice. A. Convert virtual machines of other virtualization platforms into virtual machines available to Fusion Compute. B. Delete the virtual machine. C. Create a virtual machine. D. Clone the virtual machine. Answer. B, C, D. Questions 5. Which of the following options belong to the KVM architecture? Multiple choice. A. ESXi. B. QEMU. C. Domain 0. D. libvirt. Answer. B, D. Question 6. In Huawei Fusion Compute, if a virtual machine is bound to a host, what functions will be affected? Multiple choice. A. DRS. B. Memory hot add. C. Hot migration. D. Snapshot. Answer. A, C. Question 7. What are the methods for creating virtual machines in Huawei Fusion Compute? Multiple choice. A. Create a new virtual machine directly. B. Clone using an existing virtual machine. C. Deploy using a template. D. Import from other virtualization platforms. Answer. A, B, C. Questions 8. Which of the following are computing virtualization? Multiple choice. A. Disk virtualization. B. Memory virtualization. Circa CPU virtualization. D. I/O virtualization. E. Network virtualization. Answer: B, C, D. Questions 9. In CPU hardware-assisted virtualization, the newly added execution mode is, and VRM selects an available host according to the saved virtual machine specification information. A. Root mode. Answer: A. Questions 10. In Fusion Compute, users can turn a virtual machine into a template, which contains the of the virtual machine and several disk files. A. Configuration file. Answer: A.